Avoid using sharp implements like knives to remove packaging, as these could scratch your appliance. Simply tear the top of the packaging and pull apart. Your machine may have protection blocks under the base that will need to be removed prior to installation. Again, it is important to refer to the user manual for information on how to safely detach them. Your appliance will contain transit bolts to stop the drum from moving during delivery. These must be removed prior to installation. Failure to do so could cause serious damage to the machine or the user. The transit bolts are located on the back of your machine and can be removed using the tool provided. However, if your machine does not have tools provided, then please refer to the instruction manual. Rubber grommets will be supplied to plug the holes once the transit bolts are removed. Keep the bolts somewhere safe in case you need to move the machine again. Instruction manuals and other accessories for your new machine will often be placed inside the drum and will need to be removed prior to installation. Be sure to trial the motion of the drum before use to ensure it moves freely and there is nothing left inside. You may find that there is residue in the machine prior to use. This is perfectly normal as it is part of the testing stage during production. Your appliance will need to be installed near mains power and a hose point for drainage. Ensure you turn off the water supply before attaching the hose. The inlet hose is used to attach the water supply to the machine. Visually inspect it for any cracks or kinks, then connect it to the water supply and the washing machine and run a little water through it to ensure there are no leaks. When attaching the inlet hose to the valve, ensure that this is done manually and not with a tool. The end of the drainage hose will need to be connected to a drainage point. If your home has a standing waste pipe, the hose will need to be fed into this. You will need to adjust the feet on the base of your appliance to ensure it is level. Loosen the plastic adjustment nut and alter the feet to the desired height. Tighten the nut to secure the feet in position. Use a spirit level to check the machine is balanced. This will keep it in place, reduce any vibration, and ensure an even wash whilst in operation. For more information, please refer to your user manual or visit www.argos-support.co.uk.